Okay, this is a short tutorial on how to create a blog post. The first thing you're going to want to do is you need to log into your blog. So you'll go to your domain name /WP admin. And that opens your login. You should have a login and password. This is your dashboard. This is what's called a dashboard. It has various things on it as far as updates to your blog platform or to your theme or to plugins. These are pages. I'm logged in the admin side. If you were logged in the editorial side, you may not see all of these features, but the main thing we're focused on right now are posts. So we can go look at all the posts that are on this site. These are all the posts that are on this site by category, and we're going to create a new one. So we can go to add new post. We can also do that from the menu over here where it says add new post. So for this, we're going to go add new post. And for this particular, we're going to name this how to create a post. And what I'm going to do is just give it a small description, because what I'm going to do is after I finish this video, I'm going to add this video to the post. So this post will give a brief overview of the functions and styles for creating a blog post. As you can see, there's a menu here, much like you would see on Word or any other word processing. Everything has pretty much the same functionality: bold, italics, links, various things like that. These are proprietary, or these are plug-in adds to the menu. So each one of these has different functionality. And then, of course, this here adjusts your size. So if you want to give kind of a caption: blog posting made simple. So if I want to make that kind of a headline, I would go here and I would choose that as my H1 tag. And then, of course, this would be supported text for that, and I can write as much as I want. I can edit this. I can do anything I want with this. And then over here, I'm going to categorize it. So I'm going to categorize this as blogs. And then let's go down and see if anything else I want to. Loyalty program, memory hooks. Videography. Go ahead and select videography too. And we're going to say tags. These are our keywords that people type into the site so that they can find certain articles. So we're going to say this is tutorial blog posting video. Those are all with commas between them so that each one becomes its own tag word. And I don't need a photo yet because I'm not going to do this, but if I wanted to add a photo, I would just go to Add Media. I would grab a photo from my library, or I would go to Upload Photo, and I would go get one from my computer. This brings up my computer, and then I can choose any image I want to here. JPEGs, PNG files are primarily, and PDFs are primarily the images or the type of files that you'd be using. That's a PNG or a JPEG or a PDF. So, but I'm going to use the image that I already had over here. So I go back to my library, media library. I make sure that I copy and I want an alt tag here, so that's my alt text. I can make that anything I want as well, so blog posting made easy. I don't want it to link to anything. I want it to be 800 by 350, and I'm going to insert that into my blog, and now I have an image there. If I want this image to be above, I can just grab it and put it above. If I want to be below, likewise, just grab it and put it below. Once I'm happy with it, I can do one of two things. I can publish it immediately just by saying publish. I've already put my categories, I've already done my tag words, so it's all ready to publish or to publish later. So I'm going to publish this later because, like I said, I'm going to substitute this photo out for the actual video. So I don't really need to set it too far in advance. So today's the 9th of December. I'm going to say it's military time, so I'm going to say 21:51 time. That'll give me plenty of time to create the video, upload it to my YouTube, and then have it ready for this blog post. Say OK, and it is scheduled. If I have more, I can just keep adding and adding and adding and adding and adding. And again, I can add them as scheduled later, or I can have them published now, just whichever I prefer. I can also, like I said, there's different ways that you can add social media aspects as far as sharing and so forth, but not in this tutorial. So that's basically all there is for this. And when you go back to all posts, you'll see that this one is scheduled to go out today, but just later today. And then I can still edit it, I can still preview it, I can do anything I want with it, and it's ready to go. So that is how to do a blog post.